Hi everybody, it's Untitled Maths Tutor, and today, really short video, it's about multiplying by the number 11, because there's a really easy trick. First of all, I'm just going to assume that multiplying 11 with numbers up to 10 you can do, because it's quite easy. If you've got 6 times 11, well, you just times 1 by 6, another 1 by 6, and it's 66. 7 times 11 just becomes 77. 9 times 11 just becomes 99. There's a bit of a pattern there, but that's not the trick. Now you might even know what 11 times 11 is. I'm sort of hoping you do, because that's 11 squared, which is 121. And this is the first clue as to what we're going to do. But let's ask ourselves the question, how about what's 16 times 11? Well, all we do, and this is the trick everybody, is we take, let's do some colour changing as we go, we take the first number, goes here, we then add together the two numbers 1 plus 6, which gives you 7, and then we put the last number down. So 11 times 16 is 176. Okay, I'm just going to whistle through some examples and you'll get the flow of this. So what's 15 times 11? Well, it's the first number, 1, and in fact I could even start reading out. It's 100, add these two together, and 60, and take the last number, 5. That's what 15 times 11 is. Another example, what's 18 times 11? And maybe you're starting to see it fall out already. 18 times 11 is 100. Add these two together, and 90. Take the last number, 8. 198. How about 14 times 11? Well, that's 100. Add the two together, and 50. 4. Let's do one quickly. So 13 times 11 is 143. And the only other thing that you've got here is sometimes you can see numbers, now that you know this trick, which is basically all we're doing is we're moving that number to here, adding the two numbers, and then moving this number down to here. You can start to see things happening when it comes to division. So if I had the number 187, can I divide that by 11? Well, if I could divide it by 11, then just selecting out colours, these two numbers would have to do the trick in reverse, if you like. So I'm going to undo that, and that would make it 17. But does it work? Well, okay, let's have a look. Take the first number, 1. Is that a green? Does green work? Yeah, green works. Add two numbers together, and that gives me 8. Yep, that works. So I've got the 1 and the 8. And then we take the back number, the last number, 7. Yep, there's a 7 there. 7. So if you like, I've picked my number here and seen whether it goes into 187. So the answer is yes, 17. Suddenly it becomes, hopefully, really, really easy. Does 165, is it divisible by 11? Does 11 go into 165? Well, if I take the front and the back number, I keep calling it back, but last number, 15, let's just do the trick. That becomes 1, add those two numbers together, becomes 6, that becomes 5, yeah it is, so it's just 165. Is 152 completely divisible by 11? Okay, well let's go through the trick, because we're sort of getting the feel that it's something to do with the 1 and 2. Okay, well I would, so that would it be 12? Okay, so if I take the first number, I add these two together, well that would be 3, and then I take the back number, the last number, 2. So no, 152 is not completely divisible by 11. So there's just a few uses of the multiplying 11 trick. This has been Saltash Maths Tutor. I hope that's of some use to you. If you've got any comments or things that you want doing, please post, subscribe and like. Thank you very much.